In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create receive money bank rules in Xero. If you routinely receive payments into your bank account, whether from online processors, rent, interest, or customer deposits, receive money rules help Xero recognize those transactions and pre-fill the right details so you can reconcile in seconds. Start by logging in to Xero. From the dashboard, go to the main menu, click Accounting, and select Bank Rules. At the top of the page, switch to the Receive Money Rule tab, since we're building a rule for incoming funds rather than spend transactions. Click Create Rule to open a fresh rule. Next, decide how Xero should identify the payments that belong to this rule. Choose the rule matching conditions. Then click Add Conditions to define them. You'll select a field, pick a condition, and enter the value you want Xero to look for. For example, you might match on the payee or description fields that contain a specific processor name, or on an amount that equals a known fee or payout. Keep your conditions specific enough to catch the right items, but not so narrow that legitimate transactions are missed. Now set the contact information. Assign the contact you want Xero to use when this rule triggers, so every matched transaction carries a consistent customer or payer name in your reports. After that, allocate the income line items. This tells Xero which revenue accounts to post to. Select the appropriate income accounts and tax rates for the lines you need. Choose accounts that reflect the nature of the income, and make sure the tax rate aligns with your local reporting requirements. Add amounts or percentages to control how the transaction total is split. You can use fixed amounts for known components, like a handling fee, and percentages for portions that vary with the total. If one line takes a set amount, the remaining balance can flow to another line. Enter a reference if needed. This is a helpful note that will appear on matched transactions and make searching and auditing easier later. Give the bank rule a clear, descriptive name that reflects the scenario it handles. Then click Save. That's it. From now on, Xero will automatically suggest these details when matching incoming transactions, helping you categorize payments accurately and consistently. You can revisit this area anytime to refine the rule as your processes evolve. That way, your reconciliations stay fast and your reports stay clean.